Hello friends, and welcome back to Literacy Time. Are you ready for some fun? Let's get started. Today we are going to be listening to The Very Busy Spider and identify animals that live on a farm and the sounds that they make. All right, my friends. Now remember, we have been talking about Eric Carle, and the three books that we have looked at so far are Brown Bear, What Do You See?, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and also From Head to Toe. But I have one more story I want to share with you that is both written and illustrated by Eric Carle, and it is called The Very Busy Spider. Very good. And what do you see on the front cover of this book? A spider, just like in the title, right? What do you think the spider is doing? Right, he's making a spider web. And let's take a look at the back cover. We turn the book over and we see the completed spider web that looks like it was made in maybe a fence or a gate. And then you see the spider here. Okay, so this story takes place on a farm. This is just one picture of a farm. What are some things that you can see? Very good. You see cows. You also see a building in the background, right? That is the barn that the farmers would use to hold the animals or some of the food that the animals need. So remember, when we're reading our story today, listen for the names of the animals that live on the farm and also the sounds that those animals make. All right, let's get started. Eric Carle's The Very Busy Spider. The Very Busy Spider. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard. There's her little silk, whoop, right onto the fence, and began to spin a web with her silky thread. "Nay, nay," said the horse. "Want to go for a ride?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Moo, moo," said the cow. "Want to eat some grass?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. What do you think's going to be next? Oh, we know this animal. It's a sheep. "Baa, baa," bleated the sheep. "Want to run in the meadow?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Ma, ma," said the goat. "Want to jump on the rocks?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Oink, oink," grunted the pig. "Want to roll in the mud?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Woof, woof," barked the dog. "Want to chase a cat?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Look how far she's getting. She's getting to the middle part. "Meow, meow," cried the cat. "Want to take a nap?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Quack, quack," called the duck. "Want to go for a swim?" The spider didn't answer. She had now finished her web. Ooh, let's take a closer look. Very good job. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," crowed the rooster. "Want to catch a pesky fly?" This fly has been bothering everybody through this whole book. And the spider caught the fly in her web, just like that. "Who," asked the owl. "Who built this beautiful web?" The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. Let's see if you can find the spider in that picture. She's sleeping up in the corner right there, sleeping. So today we are going to do our activity together. Let's talk about animals that live on a farm. Which one of these animals lives on a farm? A pig or a zebra? A pig. A pig lives on a farm. Now, what sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. Great job. Which animal lives on a farm? A cow or a tiger? It's a cow. A cow lives on a farm. And what sound does a cow make? Good. It says moo, moo. Let's try another one. Which animal lives on a farm? A gorilla or a horse? Great job! A horse lives on a farm. Now, what sound does a horse make? Right, neigh, neigh. Now, which of these animals lives on a farm? A goat or a bear? The answer is a goat. A goat lives on a farm. Now, what sound does a goat make? Nah, nah. Very good. Let's keep going. Which animal lives on a farm? A giraffe or a sheep? A sheep lives on a farm. What sound does a sheep make? Right, it says ba, ba. And the last one for today, which animal lives on a farm? A rooster or a penguin? And the answer is a rooster. Very good. What sound does a rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo! You did an amazing job today. Give your family member or a friend a big high five. Okay, so we can't end today without singing Old Macdonald Had a Farm. And we're going to look at the board here to figure out which animal we see and the sound it makes. Here we go. It's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. All right, let's begin our song. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Which one's going to be next? It's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Ba, ba. Very good. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job. Let's see what's next. What is that? Right, it's a pig. What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. Very good. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. What's next? It's a duck. What sound does a duck make? Quack, quack. Very good. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. One more. It's a horse. What sound does a horse make? Neigh. Very good. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job. And you can always use other farm animals in that song and talk about the sounds that they make too. All right, I will see you again soon. Bye.